Good morning, student of class 8. Today we will study English literature, chapter number 4, solving tough problems of life. This is your chapter name, solving tough problems of life. Okay, read and enjoy. Some description about this chapter. What is problem solving? Is a skill that a person needs to acquire and hone it as he or she grows up. So here description about it. What is that? Problem solving is a skill. It is a quality of any person. How that person takes, okay, and whenever he was grows up, so he how he or she faces problems in life and how to solve that problem in life. This is, and life is, what is life? Life is like a hurdle race, presents different kinds of problems at every steps of the way. Life here, the this chapter writer, he said that life is what? Life is like a hurdle race. Everyone, you understand, is a kind of race. Okay, hurdle means obstacle, means you have to cross it. So what? One hurdle, it means one problem in your life. So we have a lot of problem in our life. So in our lives there is a different kinds of problem at every steps of life. Okay, as we find the solution to one problem, another one crops up. Suppose that you have any problem, now you have got a solution of that problem. When that problem removed, another problem now grows, crops up. Okay, so this is, he said, and however, as we confront our problems and solve them one by one, our understanding of the world and of the people who live in it improves. So by solving the problems of our life, we are improving one by one. Means daily we are improving our sincerity, our quality now improves, and there is no problem that cannot be solved. Means every problem of life that can be solved by us. But what should we have to be determined. Okay, only one needs the will and the right attitude to solve it. Here given how to solve that problem. Only one needs the will. Will means determination, okay, desire, and the right attitude. With the right path, with the right way, we can solve all problems of life. Now here it is a read and enjoy section. Now here line, tough problems do not get solved easily. They often pose a big challenge to the people concerned. These frustrating outcomes occur all the time in life. Countries are no exceptions to it. Countries get split over controversial issues and try to negotiate a peaceful settlement. Okay, here tough problems do not get solved easily. We have, everyone, we have a lot of problems, but some are easy problems, some are tough problems. So here the writer is saying that tough problems do not get solved easily. They are taking time. Easy problems, within a quick time you can solve it, but tough problems, it is taking time to solve, and they are presenting challenge, big challenge to in front of the people to face it, how to face. And sometimes the people are frustrating when they have problems, tough problems, they are totally, now what, frustrating means sad, disappointed. And countries are no exceptions to it. Countries, you understand, like this time there is a tough problems, what, between our country and China. They are creating problem to us. So what? So sometimes, and countries get split over controversial issue. There is any controversial public issue is there, you know that, wherever Leh and Ladakh situation. Okay, so and after that finally they are reaching a an agreement. Okay, now that problem now solved, like, and they are now reach on a peaceful settlement, like this time. Now India and China's both the armies now back off, and now they have reached a peaceful settlement. Okay. Now, next page. There is a way to solve tough problems. The people involved can talk and listen to each other for a peaceful and honorable settlement. Here, now the writer has said, there is a there is a way to what? There is a way to solve tough problems. Idea, there is idea. An idea is there. Means how to solve the problem. He said that here the people involved can talk and listen to each other for a peaceful and honorable settlements. How to? First, what to do? The people who were involved in the tough problems, first you have to talk and you have to listen to each other. What they are speaking, you have to listen, and after that you have to speak. For how? For a peaceful and honorable settlement. Peaceful, you understand? Honorable means with respect that settlement will be. And always remember that tough problems never last long, but tough people do. Okay? Means the writer has said, means remember it. What? That tough problems never last long. It's not means 1 month, 2 month, 3 month it carries. Okay? It is for some days, for some time, for some minute, and after that tough problems will remove. But mostly people is creating it tough. Okay? And we simply need patient listening to get better at talking, so what we can negotiate more successfully, choosing the peaceful way more often. We simply what to do? First we have to listen it. How? With a patient listener, patience listening. Okay? And to get better at talking so that we can negotiate, and after we have to listen it. Okay? Not only listening, we have to talk it also, and after that we can negotiate more successfully, and after that we can reach finally where? For an agreement, and more successfully, and by a peaceful way we can solve the tough problems. Almost most of the problems in life can be easily solved with resolute efforts. There are some problems which are really tough and cannot be solved easily. Almost most of the problems, here what is it? Almost most of the problems, mostly all the problems of life can be solved by how? By the resolute efforts. Resolute means determined, firm determination. By the determined efforts, all the problems of life can be solved. But there are some problems which are really tough and cannot be solved easily. But in our life, there are some problems are there that is not easily solved. It is taking time. It is taking more suggestion, more ideas, but they are difficult to solve because why? Because they are complex in many ways. Okay? Because why they are difficult? Because they are mix mixed problems are there, complex problems are there, not related to one person, related to more person. This is the reason. And nature of the problems, unfamiliarity of the people trying to find a solution with the exact cause of the problem. And mostly we are just trying to get the exact cause of the problem, and then we can remove. And its social perspective could be some of the reason making certain problems too tough to be solved. And maybe what is here, mean its social perspective. Social perspective means according to the social outlook. Okay? It may be taking time, means more persons are involved, so it is taking more time. And because more persons are more persons ideas, messages, everything is not same. This is the reason it's time, it's taking more time to be solved, and this is the reason it's tough to be solved. Okay? Up to here I have explained. Next day, rest part of this chapter. Okay? So what to do today? Today you have to, I have already told you, but again I am telling you word meaning you have to write down and try to find it out, what tick the correct options and grammar portion. Okay, thank you for today.